Yeah, just look at this trade, look at the results. The beauty of my strategy is in its simplicity. After years of testing, I realized the less you complicate trading, the more it makes sense. So don't try to use 10, 20 indicators at once or try to mix 5 different strategies. Just keep it simple and involve a lot of discipline, and trust me, you'll be amazed with the results. So yeah, if you are interested in learning my strategy, just go to learnthestrategy.com/free. The link is in the description and in the bio.